UK manufacturer B. Looney has invested in automation to enhance productivity and competitiveness. The Buckinghamshire-based SME has fewer than 100 employees and saw the need to automate to increase the level of output per employee.
We print and supply promotional products for the promotional trade, mainly the high street. Core products are really balloons, of course, banners, bunting and food flags. The idea of putting the robots in, or cobots actually, was that we have rising costs. We need to be more efficient in what we do.
For an SME like B. Looney, flexibility is of the utmost importance.
Order numbers can vary from 250 flags, maybe up to 2 million flags for any one particular promotion or campaign that our customers might be running. They are very often changed midstream. They may have different designs which we are able to facilitate the production of, because we've now got a system with the cobots that it is easier to change and be more reactive to customer demands.
Staff acceptance is critical too, with employees working side by side with their cobot colleagues.
Very important to have the cobots working alongside the team. Staff engagement, my colleagues' engagement is critical to the company, but also in producing a good product. For our staff to be up and running with the cobots, it can take anything from a few hours to maybe a couple of days for them to feel fully confident with the machine.
I used to make flags by hand before we get the robots, so it was quite boring job. Working with robots is more entertaining and you can improve your skills. I have more than 3 years experience in here, so for me it's like my third hand.
The robots are already hard at work and assist with a range of tasks. These include sewing bunting, blowing up balloons and assembling food flags.
The investment of cobots will allow us to become fitter going forward. We will be able to compete not only with our UK competitors but also our European counterparts. Will allow us to become more efficient and more effective and supply a better product at a cheaper cost. As a bespoke operation, we often have to change quickly. The cobots allow that because we can move them readily to the next process and set them up for implementation.
B. Looney's in-house engineer set up and programmed the cobots, slotting them in with the company's existing technology. The results speak for themselves.
The ability to make the change actually has added to our hastening of the return of investment for the robots. We had a target of a 12-month payback, but we managed to achieve it within 9 months. The latest rollout program we hope to actually achieve within a 3-month period. It can only lead to a greater growth of the company. It's already achieved that. We very much see Universal Robots as being our partner to push forward to a fuller automation program.